welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Ureter damage during hysterectomy surgery, doctor fined Rs 28.5 lakh. Holding two doctors from Dombivli and Navi Mumbai guilty of medical negligence, the Maharashtra State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission has directed them to pay Rs 28.5 lakh to a patient whose ureters got damaged during the hysterectomy surgery. It has further been clarified by the State Consumer Court that if the doctors fail to pay the entire amount within a month, an interest at the rate of 12% per annum would be added to the amount. AIIMS notifies on online registration for DM, MCH, MD in hospital administration. The registration portal has been opened for the Institute of National Importance Super Speciality with respect to admissions in DM, MCH, MD courses for the January 2022 session notified by the AIIMS. As per the notification, the interested aspirants can register themselves for admissions to the postgraduate courses. MBBS fees slashed in Uttarakhand. Students to now pay Rs 1.45 lakh per annum only. Giving the medical students in Uttarakhand a reason to celebrate, the state cabinet has revised the MBBS fee structure by bringing it down from 4 lakh to Rs 1.45 lakh per year. Now the MBBS students pursuing the medical education in the government medical colleges of the state will have to pay Rs 50,000 per year if they're willing to sign a bond of serving the state for a period of 5 years after completing their studies. However, those who would not execute a bond will have to pay Rs 1.45 lakh every year instead of the previous fee of Rs 4 lakh. Such a decision has been taken by the government at the cabinet meeting on Thursday, in the meeting chaired by the Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami. 1,450 MBBS seats to be added in Tamil Nadu this academic year. In a major milestone for medical education in Tamil Nadu, the state has received the central government's nod for adding another 600 MBBS seats to the state and thereby taking the total number of MBBS seats of the state to 9,100. These seats would be added to 4 of the 11 newly established medical colleges. The confirmation regarding this has come after the State Health Minister M.A. Subramanian in a statement on Thursday evening said the Union Health Ministry has approved 150 new seats in the 4 new government medical colleges at Krishnagiri, Dindigul, Nagapattinam and Ariyalur. IIT and AIIMS Delhi established Advanced Research and Excellence in Disability Center. IIT Delhi and AIIMS New Delhi, the 2 leading institutions in the country, have jointly set up Center for Advanced Research and Excellence in Disability and Assistive Technology, a center of excellence created under the aegis of the Indian Council of Medical Research. Professor V. Ram Gopal Rao, Director of IIT Delhi, and Dr. Randeep Guleria, Director of AIIMS New Delhi, inaugurated the center on Thursday in the presence of senior functionaries from both sides. The mandate of the center is to encourage comprehensive research on an identified problem with the aim of generating new knowledge and improving the holistic understanding of neurological diseases such as stroke and providing assistive technology solutions for the rehabilitation of the patients. It is established with the vision to design novel technological solutions, therapeutic protocols, and clinical validation for the solutions in neuroassistive technology, and thereby providing commercial-ready technology under the Make in India initiative of the Government of India. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.